Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back and make sure to subscribe to the channel for daily tech videos. So the smartphone previously known as the Galaxy M41 is not happening and there will only be the Galaxy M51. So the M51 is the direct successor of the Galaxy M40 and it brings features which are not even present on the high-end devices like the OnePlus 8 Pro, T Max Ultra and the Galaxy Notes. More on that in just a minute, but that feature does make the smartphone thick, just like your mama. So let's talk about the design of the smartphone. This is how the smartphone will look. Once again we have the hole punch on the left side of the display and overall it's a quite bezel-less display. The bezels does look a bit bigger especially on the side in this image, but in the real life it will be much better looking. The buttons are present on the right hand side. On the back we have the fingerprint scanner which you will either hate or love. I personally love it. And then we have quad cameras. The back panel looks like glass but they are giving plastic on a $1,000 phone, so there's no way M51 is glass. On the top we have the headphone jack finally returning. I say return because it was not present on the Galaxy M40. The brain of the smartphone is also really good. It is probably the most powerful Samsung smartphone aside from the Galaxy S and the Note series. It uses Qualcomm Snapdragon 730 which is better than the Exynos 9611 which they have been using in their mid-range phones for a long time. It will come in two RAM options with 6 and 8 GB of RAM and the 128 GB of storage is common on both of the variants. It will be powered by a 7000 mAh battery and this is the biggest battery in any smartphone out there, and that is what I was talking about when I said no other smartphone has this feature. This is literally as big as you get in a 2020 phone. This battery does make the smartphone a bit of a chonky boy as it comes at 213 grams which is more than the Note 20 Ultra of 208 grams. The smartphone will come with a 25 watt fast charger inside the box which should be able to charge it fairly faster. Man, just imagine the Apple 5 watt charging brick trying to charge the 7000 mAh battery. That would take years. For cameras, we have 64 megapixel of primary camera spotted with a 12 megapixel of ultra wide, 5 megapixel depth sensor and another 5 megapixel macro camera, and for the front it will be a 32 megapixel selfie camera. The display is going to have a 6.7 inches full HD resolution panel of obviously 60 Hz, and these are the physical dimensions of the smartphone. As for the release, we don't have the official release date, but the M51 Sport page went live on the Russian website which hints at an imminent launch, maybe early next month. So if you are about to buy the Galaxy A51 or a smartphone in that segment, you should wait just a bit more and get this beast with 7000 mAh battery. Let me know guys your thoughts about the Galaxy M51. I'm pretty excited. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos. Hit the like button if you enjoyed. Follow me over on Twitter, and guys, thanks for watching.